ANZ, the first one to put its head above the parapet. What was your take?
Yeah, good morning to you. And it looks like a reasonable result coming out of ANZ this morning for their first half of 22. So their cash earnings came in slightly ahead of market expectations. The market was looking for about 2.9 billion. They did 3.1 billion. The dividend of 71 cents compared to 70 cents expected by the market. Net interest margins tracked a little bit lower, but that was in line with market expectations. And Tier 1 capital at 11.5% was slightly light on versus some expectations. So, and their commentary, of course, was pretty cautionary given the outlook for interest rates going forward. So, look, I'd sit back and say I think it's a pretty good result, and I think it'll be dealt with favourably on the market this morning, Annette.
How about that 72-cent dividend? Is that in line with expectations as well?
Yeah, slightly ahead in terms of the dividend. So the market, the consensus was at 70. I saw a couple of brokers at 71. So 72 will be taken pretty favourably in terms of ANZ. It also speaks to a level of confidence. As I said, Tier 1 capital 11.5%, although it was slightly below expectations, it's still very strong. So banks are very well capitalised. There's a recovery from an economic standpoint coming through, and that has filtered through into some pretty strong economic performance relative to what we've obviously seen in recent times.